October 2022, something happened that most people never notice. There were no explosions, no stock market crash, no breaking news that dominated televisions. And yet, behind closed doors, the world's biggest technologies companies were paying very close attention because they are dependent on one place, not New York, not Silicon Valley, not even China, one small island sitting just off the coast of Asia. At first, it does not look special. No giant skyscrapers, no famous landmark, no luxury lifestyle, just another ordinary place on the map. But hidden inside that island is something worth more than oil, more important than gold, and far more valuable than most people could ever imagine. Because if this one place ever stopped working, the impact would reach almost every country on earth, not overnight, but step by step. First, new smartphones become harder to build, then car factories began slowing down, artificial intelligence companies started missing deadlines, and suddenly what looked like a local problem becomes a global crisis. The strange part, almost nobody knows who made all of this possible. When people buy an iPhones, they think about Apple's. When they use ChatGPT, they think about OpenAI. When they buy an NVIDIA graphics card, they think about NVIDIA, but almost nobody asks who built the teeny brands. And that's where our story began, because the company behind those tiny brands does not sell phones, it does not build car, it does not create artificial intelligence. Instead, it quietly built the single most important component of the modern world. Its name is TSMC, a company that most people have never heard of. Yet every single day, it helps power the future of humanity. But here the real mystery: how did one company become so powerful? The app